Hi, I'm me. Have you seen our first home video project? Would you like to be part of it? We are working on the second home video project, and we would love to have you with us. Come join us and have some fun together. All you need is 3 easy steps. Step 1. Email your name and country to me to voice your interest and get detailed instructions on video format, etc. Step 2. Learn the following drum solo choreography. And lastly, record and submit your video by 30th June this year. And that's it. I'm looking forward to see your videos. See you soon. Bye.